Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the animation to text template in CapCut PC. So, how to, for example, just going to add the image and go to text, select text template and select this template you like to add to your video, for example. And I'm going to adjust the duration. So if you add the text template, you cannot find the animation option right here. But if you want to add the animation to the text template, you have to select the clip and right click and create component clip report. So you can see the animation right here. Right. Um, I'm going to select this black background, select text template, and display duration, and then select the clips, right click, create component clip, and go to animation, and you can select this animation you like to add to your text. For instance, I'm going to select strings animation. Go. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.